You just laughed, dude.
I really don't want this tank to live.
Oh, good. No, I'm trying to keep the spit alive to kill him.